Today we'll cook a nutritious, easy-to-make vegetable soup. For this we'll need lentils, aubergines, garlic and coconut milk. Whenever I see aubergines in the store, I just have to buy some. The soup is going to be pureed, so you can cut your pieces to any size you like. My husband says this soup tastes really hipster. I promise you'll be surprised at just how good it tastes. Now we'll rinse the lentils. I have boiled some water. I will add the aubergine, lentils and the garlic. Season with pepper. And tiny bit of herbamom. It has a wonderfully fresh and flavoursome taste. Want a taste?
Quite good.
Add some chili for an extra kick. Once cooked, add the coconut milk and blend. Ladle into bowls, garnish with parsley, and enjoy.